Well, hello, my nasties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today, as usual, is going to be a busy day, but today's vlog is going to be not simply me trapped in my cave toiling away. I'm going to actually have to go outside, out amongst the living, to do a few chores. First thing is first, I'm going to package a few orders, and then I'm going to get to work on a sketchy Saturday video, and then your girl finally has an appointment to go get her hair cut. It has been months. I am months overdue, finally able to get in and see my fabulous hairdresser. We're gonna get this bob right back together where she needs to be, trim it up, make it fabulous. Then I gotta run to the car wash because desert. We've had dust storms for the past few weeks and my poor car has been filthy. So washing the car, then I'm going to be dog sitting. And what else am I going to be doing? Dog sitting, and then we are going to be addressing envelopes for the Patreon rewards. Hopefully, if I have time at the end of the day, I'm going to be trimming the boards and possibly starting to package the art prints as well. I don't know yet. But aside from all of that, I think that's all I'm going to be able to have time for today. I would like to do more, but I am trying. I feel like this has been a struggle all year for me, is trying to figure out a good system of scheduling my days, because you guys know I have multiple brands and I am trying to launch a new brand in October. 2 brands is very easy to manage, but when you have 3 and potentially 4, all with different levels of I don't want to say importance, but each one of my brands requires a different amount of work. So it's not as though I'm trying to split my time evenly. That's not the case. But I'm trying to figure out a good system of partitioning my week so that I can dedicate a couple of days to this brand, a couple of days to this one, a couple of days to this one. You know what I mean? So that way I settle into a rhythm. And it's proving to be very difficult because my hamster brain is wanting me to do a little bit of everything every day. But I know damn well that that is probably the worst idea in terms of productivity, right? It's better to section things off and get things done in chunks as opposed to filling up my day. I know that. I know. I'm trying to temper my hamster brain. Trust me. We are going to have this hamster brain tempered by the fall. By the time my new brand is out, we're going to have to figure something out. But anyway, packaging orders, sketchy Saturday, car wash, or rather haircut, then car wash, dog sitting, working on the Patreon rewards, and if I have time, I will squeeze in some diamond painting and I may film a little sparkle chat video. But there you go. Thank you for joining me for this vlog. I will likely check in with you at the end with an outro. So, buckle up. It's time to jet out the door because your girl has a busy day. Let's get to it. We are at the car wash. It's been a while since I've done a little car wash confessional. So question for today: chocolate or vanilla ice cream? I know it's incredibly basic, but you all, I have basic bitch tendencies. I love a plain vanilla. Plain, but just plain vanilla. So are you a plain vanilla or a chocolate person? And chocolate to me in this instance represents any other flavor that is not plain vanilla. So let me know, vanilla or chocolate? Ooh, hey there, hey. She got a haircut. How cute are my earrings? So perfect for my Palm Springs vampire life. Am I right? We got a haircut. Isn't it nice? You'll notice that the purple is gone still. I remove the purple periodically just to refresh it. I strip it and then I put it back in. But I'm kind of loving this golden color. I think it's gonna stay for a little while. I think. My hairdresser and I are talking about doing something a little fun. with some undercolor. Maybe? Let me know. What do you think? I am not allowed to get anything done today because this one, oh, as soon as the camera comes on, oh, they calm down. We weren't bothering you. What are you talking about? You're such a liar. Well, they're not bothering me. You're not bothering me. But they were both over there at my desk giving me the eyes like, are you not going to play with us? Excuse me? Ugh, my hat is falling. Say hi, Domino. Hi. She's so cute. Yeah, look at them. Look at these innocent angels. He's like, what? Me? Pestering you? Never. Okay, this hat's just gonna come off. I just got my hair cut, actually. Why am I wearing the hat? I just got back inside. I don't need to wear it. Now comes the fun part. All of the envelopes have now been addressed. I've cut all of the backing board. So much backing board. My wrist hurts. I cut all of the backing board, and now we get to package the prints. However, we're not done yet. We are not done yet. Once these are packaged, I think I'm going to wrap them in tissue just because my brain, you know, I just that little added little layer of security. I don't know. It may not be necessary, but it's just it'll set my mind at ease if I wrap them. So I think I'm going to. So we're gonna package, and then I think I'm going to wrap in tissue, and then I have to order the stamps. Oh my God, it's going to be so expensive, but we'll order the stamps, and the last step is stamping and dropping off at the post office, which you will not see in this vlog because it won't be done today, but time to pack it. Walkie time, walkie time. Look at all these dirty streets. This is the reality of Palm Springs. When the palm trees are blooming and need to get trimmed. This is one of my favorite houses. Retro fabulous. From the 60s. Beautifully redone. It looks perfectly retro. Ugh, I want it. Does it not look like a fortress? If it's freaking you guys out and you think, oh my God, it's like a cave. No, actually, the beauty of these houses is that all of the windows, well, in this particular style, and by extension, many of the mid-century houses out here, the windows are all facing the backyard. There's a saying, it's discreet to the street. Privacy. It's perfect. Oh God, I love it so much. I want. This one over here is more typical of what people like when they think Palm Springs. It's beautiful. It is. But I like that one better. Sleek. That is a trashy tree. And here are some baldies that have been trimmed. Aren't they sad? For a few weeks of the year, all of Palm Springs looks exactly like these little bald trees. None of these big, plush, typical California trees. Nope. They're all little scraggly scraggles. Not especially glamorous, is it? But hey, that's what happens. It's maintenance. I don't look glamorous when I'm out on my walks, and I certainly don't look glamorous on my maintenance days. Mondays. Maintenance Mondays. It's when I do my manicures. I do the waxing and the plucking and all of that. Actually, no waxing. We do epilating. I have an epilating machine, which hurts. But just like these palm trees, I gotta get trimmed. Look at this poodle. Okay, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my stroll, my stalking the neighborhood in silence. I did some work on our lovely, beautiful little bat princess. I think my favorite rhinestones thus far on this entire piece are these gray AB crystals. Just something about the AB on the gray. Oh, I love it so much. So this is where we are so far. Sometime this week I'm going to film another episode of Sparkle Chat, but we are almost done with the first section up here. I'm dividing this into quadrants. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so the first quadrant is almost complete. We just have the little bat wing headpiece, and then we'll be good to go. But for now, we are going to end the vlog. Bentley, say hi. Say no. I'm too busy mangling things. Go away. You want me to throw it for you? Yes, you're tossing it at my feet. All right, so I'm going to just continue to show you my diamond painting while I make my outro. Thank you so much for joining me for this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed the mild chaos that was my life today. Everything that you need to know will be down below. Links to the supplies. Wait, links to the supplies. I didn't do any supplies today. Oh my God, my brain. It's late, guys. It's late. Links to everything you need to know in terms of, I meant supply to the diamond painting, or link to the diamond painting. Oh my God, girl, go to bed. Okay, so links to my social media will be down there. My website, a link to the diamond painting. But as always, you can simply bookmark my website. Everything you ever need to know will be on my website. All right, that is going to do it for today. Thank you so much. Be bad, be good. I do not give a damn which. Just make sure to come back in one piece. All right then. See you in the next one.
Like the cool blue light. 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 Like the cool blue light.